We all want to live long and healthy lives. Let's explore whether or not e-cigarettes can help with longevity. With the rising popularity of e-cigarettes, many users believe that these devices are a safer alternative to traditional cigarettes. However, research suggests that this may not be the case. In fact, studies have shown that e-cigarettes can cause significant damage to the human body. One area of concern is the impact of e-cigarettes on the cardiovascular system. In a study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology in 2019, researchers found that e-cigarette users had significantly higher levels of oxidative stress than non-smokers. Oxidative stress is a condition in which there is an imbalance between the production of free radicals and the body's ability to neutralize them, which can lead to damage to cells and tissues. The study also found that e-cigarette use can lead to endothelial dysfunction, a condition in which the lining of blood vessels is damaged, increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Another study published in the European Heart Journal in 2018 found that e-cigarette use was associated with an increased risk of heart attack, stroke, and angina. In addition to cardiovascular health, e-cigarette use has also been linked to respiratory problems. In a study published in the American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine in 2018, researchers found that e-cigarette use can lead to inflammation in the lungs, which can cause respiratory symptoms such as coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Furthermore, the study found that e-cigarette use can also lead to an increase in the number of neutrophils, a type of white blood cell that plays a role in the immune response. High levels of neutrophils have been associated with an increased risk of respiratory infections. It's not just the chemicals in e-cigarettes that are harmful. The act of vaping itself can also cause damage. In a study published in the journal Tobacco Control in 2018, researchers found that the act of vaping can cause changes in the lungs' ability to clear mucus, which can lead to an increased risk of respiratory infections. One other concern with e-cigarettes is the chemicals that are used to flavor the vaping liquid. Many of these chemicals are known to be harmful when inhaled and can have serious health consequences. For example, diacetyl is a chemical that is commonly used to give e-cigarettes a buttery flavor. However, inhaling diacetyl has been linked to a serious lung disease called bronchiolitis obliterans, also known as popcorn lung. This disease is characterized by inflammation and scarring of the small airways in the lungs, which can lead to coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Another chemical of concern is acrolein, which is used to give e-cigarettes a harsh, burnt taste. Acrolein is a highly toxic chemical that has been linked to lung cancer and other respiratory problems. Formaldehyde is another chemical that has been found in e-cigarettes and is a known carcinogen that can cause cancer when inhaled. In addition to these chemicals, e-cigarettes also contain nicotine, which is highly addictive and can have a number of negative health consequences. Nicotine can raise blood pressure and heart rate and can increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. It can also have a negative impact on brain development in young people. In conclusion, while e-cigarettes may seem like a safer alternative to traditional cigarettes, research suggests that they are not without risks. From damage to DNA and oral epithelial cells to cardiovascular and respiratory problems, the adverse effects of e-cigarettes on the human body are as serious as regular cigarettes. As such, it's important to approach e-cigarette use with caution and to be aware of the potential risks. Thank you for watching. Press the like button and subscribe for future informative videos.